In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect email to your Wix website. We will be walking through the process of connecting your email inside Wix, so you can use a Gmail sender address with your site's inbox tools. This setup is useful because it helps you manage communication more smoothly and makes it easier to send messages from an address connected to your business or brand. To get started, head over to your Wix site dashboard. This is the main control center for your website, where you can manage settings, tools, and site features all in one place. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings. This area contains many of the important configuration options for your website, so if you ever need to adjust business details, communication tools, or integrations, this is usually where you will begin. After opening Settings, select Inbox. The Inbox section is where Wix helps you manage conversations and communication related to your site. When you arrive there, click on Setup Inbox. This will begin the process of preparing your inbox so it can send messages using the email account you want to connect. Next, click on Set Gmail Sender Address. This option allows you to link a Gmail account so your outgoing messages can be sent through that address. It's a helpful step if you want your communication to appear more professional and consistent when reaching out to customers, leads, or visitors through your Wix site. After that, click Connect with Google. Wix will then begin the connection process and guide you through the setup. At this point, simply follow the on-screen prompts carefully. The prompts are there to make sure the connection is completed properly, so take your time and read each screen before moving forward. You'll then be asked to log into your email provider and allow Wix to access the account. This permission is necessary for Wix to send messages on your behalf. Using the connected Gmail sender address, make sure you approve the requested access so the integration can work correctly. Once that's done, your email connection should be set up and ready to use within Wix. If anything doesn't connect right away, it can help to go back through the prompts and confirm that the correct account was selected and all permissions were granted. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.